In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore licenses on your PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this. So all you want to do is go over to your settings on the very top, and then from here, all I want to do is go over to users and accounts. Then I just want to go to other. And then once I'm on other, I'm going to see restore licenses for downloaded content you can't use. Go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to see any like different game or application that I have. So for example, if I want to do with Call of Duty, you can do it on any app that's not working, and you can select all apps if you want to. Then just go ahead and click restore, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, again, you can do this on literally any application. I would only recommend doing this, however, on applications that aren't working, because you might be getting an error, or it might not be opening, or you might just be freezing whenever you try and open it. If you have too many apps, you can also go ahead and sort like from A to Z or Z to A or anything like that as well. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.